Hey guys, welcome back. Vaibhav Nigam here. A recent studies have shown that around 50 to 60% people out there who are working are finding a new job, a new work, a boost in their career, a promotion via direct referrals. Around 50 to 60% people out there are getting boost in their career through connections. That means things like moving a resume up on the top of the file or giving a personal direct referral. Around half of the people are actually getting a good job or getting a good work with all the referrals, with all the connections. This means more than half of the people out there who are working in a firm, are getting ahead in their career through all their connections, through all their referrals. Isn't this surprising? But this is true. So before taking one step further in this topic, I just want to give you one disclaimer. All these referrals, all these connections has nothing to do with the social media friends. I'm not talking about that how many friends that you have in your Facebook. It has nothing to do with all the social media friends that you have. Because in this connection, I'm talking about the actual network, the people that you actually know. No Facebook friend. And also I'm not talking about the common friends whom you met once in a lifetime, probably drunk in a pub. No, that person actually not qualifies to be your connection. I'm talking about the person, an individual who like you enough to put their names on the line for you. So now the main question arises is, how many people do you actually know who put their name on the line for you? If you want, you can pause this video right now and think about that how many people whom you actually know who can actually change your life, who can give you push in your career, who can transform your life. Let me know in the comment section, how many people do you actually know? Before taking this video to the next step, I want you to write down in the comment section that how many people do you actually know who can transform your life, who like you enough to put their names on the line for you. Because if we really think about it, the actual number of people who fit the requirement might be really low as we must be thinking. And I don't blame you, because we live in a social media world where we are connected with each other over internet. With this phone in our hand, we are always connected. But when we think about it, do we actually know that person? Do that person can actually transform our life? Is that so? I don't know. You tell me. Do you know that average person reports that they only know 9% in their life whom they consider to be close? Around 39% of the people say they know around 3 to 5% only who are really close to them. And around 14% people say only 1 to 3. It's shocking, right? But that's true. So now the main question arises is, how come this skill that needed around 60% of the people to move up in their career is never covered in school? How is this possible? Yes, I'm talking about the social skills which is neglected in our school. I'm talking about the conversations. I'm talking about the leadership skills. I'm talking about the public speaking skills. I'm talking about the sales skills. And also I'm talking about the body language. Are all these things are taught in your school? I don't think so. It was not in my time. And I don't think so this is applies to right now, in this year. Right? I really don't understand what is the problem with our education system. Because they must be thinking that like this is not important. These skills are not important. These kids will figure it out themselves when life hit them. The more important thing is to teach the kids about our Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, like when he fought the war in XYZ years. That's utter bullshit. You got to understand one thing, that this is your life. And it totally depends upon you how you're going to mend it, how you're going to change your life. Unfortunately, our school don't take this social skill very seriously, but it's your job to understand this and to implement it right here, right now. If you're a school going kid and if you're watching this video, then my friend, I really admire you, because you took the decision of not wasting your time in some prank videos, in some funny videos. You are actually utilizing your time right here, right now, and understanding this thing. So pat your back and congratulations. This is true. We lack social skills because of the social media, because we are glued in our screens and we forget to have the normal conversations. And thanks to the COVID, which was like an icing on the cake, it made us isolated with the entire world for 3 months. But it doesn't mean that we cannot improve ourselves, because we live in the golden age of information. Everything has pros and cons. If internet is good, then internet is bad also. It totally depends upon you, which side you are taking. Every coin has two sides. The glass is half empty or glass is half full. That's totally your perspective, from which angle you are seeing, right? All I know is one thing: if you have a normal smartphone and if you have a decent internet speed, then you are the boss. You can change your life, because with the internet, you can change your life completely. With the help of internet, you can learn new skills, you can read a lot of books, you can get a lot of information, and there are hundreds of online courses right now about anything, from which you can learn any craft, any new skills, and you can implement it in your life so that you can transform your life and can change the direction of your life towards success. Understand? All these schools forget to teach us to build our connections, but it doesn't mean that it will stop you, because you live in a golden age of information and you can achieve all these things. You can achieve all the greatness by connections, by applying all these social skills in your life, which can have a huge impact in your life in the coming future. So I hope you understand all these things which I told you in this topic, and I hope you agree with me. Do let me know in the comment section what you feel, and if you have any ideas, any suggestions, do drop in a comment. My name is Vaibhav Nigam. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Do share it with your family and friends. I will see you soon. Take care. Cheers. Bye bye.